In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do the moss stitch, which is also known as the sand, granite, linen, and or the woven stitch.
Hi, this is Katie, and welcome to the Nodding Perch, where I like to talk and share all things crochet. So you ready? Let's go.
The moss stitch consists of alternating between a single crochet and a chain 1. It does work up really fast. It's a fun little stitch when you want some texture. It is my favorite stitch to use when I'm doing my dishcloths or mug rugs. It's also another fun stitch to do for scarves and baby blankets. So for the moss stitch, you're going to start with a foundation chain of even numbers. For this tutorial, I went ahead and just chained, I believe I did 18. And then you're going to do a single crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Oh, let me finish that. There we go. Okay, now we're going to chain 1. We are going to skip the next stitch and do a single crochet into the following stitch. Chain 1, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the following stitch. And I'm going to repeat that all the way to the end. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. All right, like I said, I'll do this to the end, and then I can show you how we turn. Okay, I'm at the end. I'm skipping that one because we did a chain 1. This is where I'm going to put my last single crochet. This is why our foundation chains need to be an even number, because we want to always end on a single crochet. There's our first row. We're going to start our second row. We do that by chaining 2 in turn. We're going to skip this first stitch where chain 2 is, and we are going to do a single crochet into this chain space. Chain 1. We're going to skip that single crochet, and we're going to do a single crochet into the chain space. Chain 1, skip, single crochet into the chain space. So you're going to be doing a single crochet into every chain space, and above every single crochet you're going to chain. I hope that makes sense. So here's a single crochet, we did our chain, we're single crocheting into the next chain space. Chain 1, skip that stitch, single crochet into the chain space. Okay, we're at the end again. Do our last final chain 1, and then our single crochet into the row is going to go into that first chain space that we made at the beginning when we had our foundation chain, and how we did a single crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. These are the 3 chains that we skipped, so it creates a space. So we're going to do our last single crochet into there. chain 2, turn, and you're going to repeat. This pattern is the same for every row. You're going to do a single crochet into that first chain space. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. You do a single crochet into every chain space. Then you chain 1 and skip every single crochet from the previous row. And that's how you do the moss stitch. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and then I will see you at my next video.